Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. I am Shalini Mehrotra. In the previous class, we have spoken about the tense in English grammar. So children, before proceeding forward, let us take a quick review of the previous class. As I told you, tense in grammar is expressing time. It is expressing the time, at what time any event or any activity has taken place. And I told you how many types of tenses are there. Present tense, past tense and future tense. Actually, these are the verbs that are used to show you the occurrence of the event. Time is what? It is the verb, it is showing you the occurrence of that event, at what time that event has occurred. For example, if I say, she speaks, it is the present time. And speak, itself it is a verb. It is telling about the present time. Past tense, past time. She spoke. It is telling about the past. She has spoken something. She has spoken in the past. And spoke is the verb. Actually, it is telling about the verb is telling about the occurrence of that event, when that event has occurred. Future, if I say something, she will be speaking, she will speak, then I am telling something about the future. That event will take place in the future time. So these tenses are related to the form of verbs. Action is the verb. You know, everybody knows the verb is that word which shows the action. And action is showing you the time. Now let us proceed. Present tense, we will do it one by one. Present tense has the 4 types. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Today I will be teaching you simple present tense. Simple present tense, as the name is saying, present. The event which is occurring at the present time. But it is also showing you those actions which are actually the facts or the routines. Facts, the universal facts, and the routine work. As you get up early in the morning, you are going to the school. That is your routine work. Fact is what? The universal facts which will not change. For example, Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a big city. This is a universal truth. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. This is a fact. This is the universal truth. This will not change. And the habits. Habit is what? I drink tea every morning. So let us go through these examples. Once again, to repeat it, simple present tense. Those actions which are actually the facts. Which are the facts? I hope you have understood the facts, the universal truths. Or the routines, the routine work. And habits, the daily habits which we have. For example, Mumbai is a big city. This is a fact. Mumbai is a big city. It is showing you the universal truth. We go to school every day. This verb is showing you that we go to school every day, is showing you the routine work. I drink tea every morning. This is a habit. If you are habitual, you take the bath every morning. So children, we will be continuing with the next tense, that is present continuous tense, in the next class. But before that, I will ask you, just make 10 sentences of the example like I have shown you in your assignment, with the examples with simple present tense, which will show the facts, the habits and the routines. I hope you have understood. If any child is facing any problem, you are most welcome to write in the comment box. And take care of yourself, children. Stay at home and goodbye.